Hi guys, Craig here from out there touring. It's camp cook-up time again. It's been a little while since I've done one, and this one's going to be a little bit rushed. I was planning on something else, but arriving at the black stump, and have a look at this view. Arrived here a little bit late, so just making this one up as I go. Not sure what to call it, probably some sort of chicken casserole I guess, or chicken stew maybe. But basically I've got drumsticks, potatoes, pumpkin, corn, carrots, onion, garlic, and also a chicken stock, which I've never cooked with before. So I've got the Dutch oven on the fire, getting that up to temperature. So what I think I'm going to do is get the drumsticks into the Dutch oven with the garlic and also the onion, just so those flavours can start to take. Let the chicken drumsticks cook off a bit, and then I'm just going to start adding stuff to it. Let's see how we go. Right, so just with the onion, just going to slice that thinly. Still need to get some decent knives. I'm going to crush the garlic, dice that up as well, throw that into the Dutch oven, then I'll place the chicken drumsticks in as well. The onion and garlic's now diced up. Going to put a bit of oil in the Dutch oven, let this brown off a bit, add the chicken drumsticks to it, let them cook a bit, then I'm going to add the vegetables. So I've got some oil in the bottom of the Dutch oven. Obviously the Dutch oven's already preheated. Try and stir that in. Just want that to brown off a little bit, you don't want to overcook it. I think I might add 4 drumsticks to this one. Now what, let's make it 8. Let's just do them all. So once you've added the onion into it, the garlic, the chicken drumsticks, you just want to toss them all to make sure each one of the drumsticks is evenly coated and is able to get that flavour of the garlic and the onion to infuse into it. I'll get that back on the fire because I want a bit more heat into it. I want the chicken to cook probably about 70% through. Then I'll start adding the stock and the vegetables. Just going to add some salt and pepper as well. And I don't want these to dry out, so other than just the chicken stock, I'm also thinking I might put a bit of red wine in here. Probably about a cupful, I guess. And then the chicken stock. As I said, I haven't tried this before. This one I'm making up as I go. Probably about 2.5 cups, I guess, 2 cups, I'm not sure. Give that another 10 minutes. Just over the fire, then I'm going to add the vegetables. Chicken's cooking through nicely. The corn, I've ended up doing it the way I always do it. I've wrapped it in alfoil, put oil, salt and pepper. I've just got that on the side here. I'm just going to let that slowly cook. Now, as I said, I think the chicken's going all right. It's pretty tender. So I'm going to put the vegetables in now. Again, far too much, but anyway. Probably let that cook away for another 40 minutes, get those vegetables cooked, let them soak up those flavours, and let's hope it turned out all right. So I've just added probably a spoonful or 2 spoonfuls of the mixed herbs, and I've just finished off the chicken stock just to make sure there's plenty of liquid in around the vegetables to cook. Now this will take some time to actually simmer down and cook those vegetables through. That's why I'm cooking this one directly on the fire. If you've watched previous videos, I've usually got some ash on the ground, Dutch oven on that, and most of me heat on top. So just trying something a little bit different here. I've just taken the Dutch oven off the fire. It's boiling away there. The chicken feels tender and it feels like it's going to fall off the bone. So I'm happy with that. Just want the vegetables to cook a little bit longer. Just got the corn off to the side of the fire as well, wrapped in alfoil. Like I said, that's the way I normally cook the vegetables. Just thought I'd try something different tonight. I'll show you the food in the Dutch oven. Just going to let that simmer away for probably another 15-20 minutes, just to make sure the vegetables are cooked through. That's not looking too bad. That chicken pretty much going to fall off the bone. The vegetables still probably got another, as I said, 10 or 15 minutes. Right guys, let's see how this turned out. So the chicken pretty much falls off the bone. Tender. Really nice flavours. I wasn't sure about how the red wine would mix with the chicken stock. The vegetables, they're cooked through. They're nice. There we go. This one's turned out all right. Thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you liked it. Give it a crack. Have a go. Just as you're out camping, just try it. Any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm not a cook. I'm not a chef. I just make these up as I go. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. There'll be another video coming out shortly. Cheers, guys.